All right, guys, we have a problem with the Cayenne. This hatch wants to kill me. It always wants to come down and smash right when I'm putting something in the back and just guillotine me in there. Okay, looks like the glass struts are pretty, oh, how do I reach this? When I'm back here, it just wants to close on me and kill me. We're gonna change the struts for the actual tailgate. And while I'm in there, I'm gonna change the little mini glass struts too, because this is such a big job that you might as well do both because they're right next to each other. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it. Step one, I'm gonna take out the cover. Let's see if I remember how to do this. All right, we up. All right, next up, I'm gonna drop the seats. For some reason, guys, my latch doesn't work, so gotta do it old school. Ow. Okay, this will give us enough room to work on this thing. Let's smash the goodies. Here is all our struts. Don't mind this. This is actually for the headlights. We're gonna be doing a little headlight tint project later. But here we have the struts. Ooh, these are heavy. I think these are some more struts. I mean, obviously they're more struts. I didn't forget what I bought. All right, guys, so I bought these fatty struts from Amazon. They were pretty cheap. I think I got them for like 60, 70 bucks for two, which is even better than the Stabilis ones that everybody recommends. These are the ones right here, in case anybody's wondering. We're gonna kick off tearing apart the interior on that to put these bad boys in. First step, guys, we're gonna pull this off. It should hopefully come off pretty easy. Come on. There's a bunch of clips in here. I'm hoping I don't break anything, and that looks like it's about to break. Just kidding. I'm gonna take off this first. Step one, I'm gonna unclip this right here. It lets me. Come on, don't be rude. There it is. I was doing it from the wrong side.
There's a wire right there.
That'll do it. Oopsies. Oh, it's hot. It's really hot. Now that that's out, this feels wrong, but yay, I did something and didn't break much. Yes! So guys, this is how we started. I pulled off these back ones first. And these end ones don't have clips, looks like. But these are all the clips here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 with this little pin going in. Oh God, where does that go? Huh. Well, nothing's broken. So that's something. You know, this'll just pop back right in, right? Next up, I'm gonna undo this one Phillips screw right here. And then on this side, it's another Phillips screw. And supposedly there's a Torx bit in there. Torx bit right there. So we'll take off the screw to access that, get to that. And we should be in business, guys. That's not supposed to pop out. Guys, like you can see right here, I just removed the Phillips right there. You can see how the actual clip itself works there. Let's see if I can get a better look at it. So that's how the clipping mechanism works. So it looks like if you just kind of unclasp it, there it should pop up. There you go. You just have a bunch more of these lining up right here. I heard there's supposed to be a speaker connected to this, but I don't see a speaker. Do you guys?
Like Dora the Explorer.
What do you mean?
I don't see it. Do you guys see it?
Do you guys see it? Drop a comment below if Dora was like modern day. Now that I got that cover out of the way, it's literally just a T25. And hopefully this just comes out. Yo, did they round that? No. Got it. Oh, I have to take out some more T's.
Oh,
What's falling?
what is that?
Oh my god, my kit fell apart.
Oh,
My wrenches just gave out on me. What the?
Now, this piece comes off, which was held in here. Oh my god, where did that go? There you go, there you go. This looks right. This comes out. This little hose thing slots right into this groove right here. And that's how you know how to realign it later. This is it, guys. This is the culprit. Right here, behind this gooey mess. Oh god, wish me luck. I'm gonna use a pry tool. I don't want to get so gooey that I can't work.
Flathead screwdriver.
There you go. Something with a little more rigidity. There it is. All right, we're good, we're good. Gross. So gooey. There it is, guys, in one piece. Ar unten. I don't know what that means. Check it out, guys. So I removed that cover, and we have this strut here, and then the smaller strut for the window. I didn't think it was going to be that easy. We've probably been working on this for like the last 20 minutes, and this piece, people were saying was like the hardest piece to remove. If you just kind of don't care and yank on stuff, you can get this done pretty quick. But you should probably care. You should probably care, just for reference. Apparently, if you drop the tailgate, it brings this forward and a little bit closer so that you can pry it out a little bit easier. Because right now it's kind of hidden back there. Like you can see, like that is the point I need to reach, but there's no reaching it from here. So, Jarek.
What's up?
Hey, do you mind dropping the tailgate for me just a little bit?
Like how much? A little bit.
Start bringing it down. Yep.
More?
Right there is actually really good.
Okay.
So you can see, I can reach it from like right here. There's the ring that I need to access. And that's how far it is down. It's about halfway down. Okay, guys, we're back with a shorty. And I just smacked my head getting out of this thing really hard, so that hurt. But okay, we're gonna try to pry this out. All right, guys, I think we're almost there. Jarek's holding it up. I'm gonna stick this in here and then pry it out. There you go. Cool, it's off. How was it, Jarek?
Not that bad.
Wait, let go?
It's heavy.
Oh,
It's gonna fall.
okay, so that's falling. Good to know. Good to know. You good, Jarek?
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna pop it off. Ow, my hand's stuck.
Good. Let me less. I forgot to take the ring off the other side.
Guys, I forgot that ring. So Jarek's just holding this.
There
Oh
you
no.
go.
We're gonna pop this off. And we're good. No way. The whole unit just came out, guys. Aha. Oh, that feels so good to get that out of there. You good, Jarek?
Yep.
Okay, now same procedure for the small one, I guess. Just so you can see what it looks like with only one strut in, one failing strut in. This is heavy. This is why you have somebody work on this with you, because that's not good. So this right here took some wizardry to get out. The ring got stuck on one end, and it was a bad time. But all right, we're out. We're gonna do the install now, where I'm gonna pop in the new struts, and that should do it. Me out.
Goddamn.
I'm so glad you lift.
All right, guys. Here we are in our little workspace. I got both the struts removed,
Now I'm gonna be installing the brand new struts. They look so nice already. You still good, Jarek?
Yep.
Jarek is now squatting this thing. All right, Jarek, let's see a squat.
I can get up.
Wow, galing.
Galing.
So much room for activities. Let's see if I pop this in. I think this is where it goes. All right, guys, it's not lining up exactly. I'm gonna try to finagle this. All right, so just so you guys can see, it's not even fully aligned on the outward side yet, but yeah. I'm thinking about compressing the spring right now, and Jarek's gonna be standing on the step stool. Try to get it a little better for us. Yeah, that's what we're working with. It's not lining up. Is that as high as Jarek? You can get it.
There you go.
Oh, that's as high as it'll go. Oh, wait, right there, right there. Yeah. Got it.
Nice.
We're in, guys. Jarek had to like stand on the step stool and lift up the hatch. But we're good. Oh, wow, okay. Nice and solid. Yeah. All right, you can let go. Now I gotta do the window strut. This really is a two-person job. Guys, we did one side. This was so hard to get on. It didn't line up. So I actually had to use this chisel back here to force it on. But everything's good. That's good. That's good. Jarek's good. And it helped to open the glass just slightly when pushing this up, because this doesn't want to line up. It's like it's ever so slightly off, but by prying the glass open and just propping it a tiny bit, it gave me just enough room to pop this back on. But okay, same thing, other side, let's get it. All right, now that we figured it out on this side should be a little quicker, hopefully. Ooh, still gooey. We were a lot quicker on this side once we figured it out from that side. So Jarek, do the honors, try closing this thing. What? Jeez. What? Like rocks the whole car now to open this
I
thing.
guess you are supposed to like keep it, like have your hand up here too.
I
Like
guess.
slow it down. But even then.
Dude, that's so sketch. Okay.
As long as you got it.
Let's check it out. Oh God, okay, what the? A little too strong there.
Yeah, you need like a or a strap.
Oh wow. How do I pull this down? Like if you're not like tall.
Get a strap. Or attach a carabiner to it.
Attach a carabiner, it's never gonna close. But alright guys, we're done. Oh my God. What? Yeah, no, this is gonna do some damage, guys. This is a little...
The whole car.
But alright, now to put all this interior back together. This will be fun. Okay, wait, how does this go? Something like this. There it is. Oh, that looks so much better. Okay. Oh my God, I think this panel's ever so slightly off. Oops. All right, guys, that wraps it up for this project. I'm gonna put these mats back and we'll call it a day. But, all right, y'all, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, peace.